Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use split screen multitasking on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This is a great feature that allows you to have two apps open on your screen at the same time, so you can get more done in less time. There are two ways to use split screen multitasking on the Galaxy A16 5G. Let us take a look at both methods. The first method is using the Recent Apps button. So, open the app you want to use in the split screen mode. Then, tap the Recent Apps button. This will show you a list of all the apps you have recently used. Tap the app icon at the top of the app you want to use in the split screen mode. A menu will appear. Select Open in Split Screen View. The app will move to top half of the screen. Now select the second app from here. It will open in the bottom half of the screen. The second way to use split screen multitasking is by using the swipe gesture. On the app you want to open in split screen mode, swipe up with two fingers from the bottom of the screen. This will open the app in the split screen mode. Then select the second app from here. Once you are in split screen mode, you can interchange the top and bottom apps by tapping the three dots, then the arrow keys. You can also adjust the size of the apps by moving the handle up or down. To exit the split view, move the handle to the bottom or top. In case on your phone, swipe to split screen gesture is not working, go to Phone's main settings. Scroll down until you find Advanced Features. Once you get it, tap on it. Tap Multi-Window. Now enable Swipe for Split Screen by toggling on this switch. Now you can use the swipe gesture to get into split screen mode. That's it for this video on how to use split screen multitasking on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.